Bruce, talk about the function of the different command signals and how African mango affects those.
Well, one of the most important hormones in the body is called leptin. This is known as a master hormone. And it's a very interesting story of how leptin functions. Leptin is made by fat cells, and it's known as a lipostat. And it's a way for the body to be able to determine how much fat there is in the body. So as people gain weight, they have more fat cells. The fat cells produce more leptin. The leptin travels through the blood, as most hormones do, and it crosses the blood-brain barrier and binds to receptors in the hypothalamus region of the brain. And once it binds these receptors, it helps increase satiety and appetite control, so people eat less. It increases metabolism and thermogenesis, so they start burning more calories. And in this way, they start losing weight as the number of fat cells increases in the body. One of the problems that can occur for people that are overweight and obese, however, is that oftentimes this is associated with increased levels of inflammation. And inflammation is associated with higher levels of C-reactive protein. C-reactive protein is a marker of systemic inflammation in the body, and it's associated with many types of poor health properties, such as poor cardiovascular health. But one of the things associated with leptin function is that research has found that C-reactive protein will bind leptin in the blood, and it forms a complex. And this complex prevents leptin from crossing the blood-brain barrier so that it can't function in the brain to reduce appetite or increase metabolism. This is one of the main reasons why people who are overweight or obese will actually have increased hunger and also have reduced metabolism. So even as they're trying to diet, trying to lose weight, it will go the other way and will keep on gaining weight. So one of the ways that African mango can help with weight management is by reducing leptin resistance, improving leptin function. And the way it does this is by reducing levels of C-reactive protein in the body. When people take African mango as a supplement, research has shown that C-reactive protein reduces in the blood. What that does is it uncouples, when there are lower levels, it uncouples from leptin. Leptin is then freed across the blood-brain barrier and carry out all of its metabolic function that leads to reduced appetite, increased metabolism, and hence weight loss.